It's President Ramaphosa that refuses to condemn slogans such as "Kill the Boer." In fact, it is President Ramaphosa and ANC leaders that are dividing the country. It's President Ramaphosa that denies the existence of farm murders. It's President Ramaphosa that signed the Expropriation Act. It's President Ramaphosa that openly refuses to engage with us. The President signed the Anti-Afrikaans Bella Act that threatens the cultural existence of Afrikaans-speaking cultural communities. We will not be deterred. Afriforum, Solidarity and the Solidarity Movement will thus continue to fight for the interests of the country, also for the interests of Afrikaners.